Hi guys and gals! So today I'm gonna be taking myself on a date day. I don't have a boyfriend and I sometimes just want to take myself for a treat because no one else is gonna, so I might as well treat myself. Originally I was gonna go to the movies and go for dinner, like take myself to Nando's or something. However, there are literally no good movies on and I thought a date day doesn't necessarily mean movie and food. It could be anything. I was gonna go bowling. I didn't quite know if I could go bowling by myself. Like I feel like you actually need two people because you've got to compete against someone else. But the movies I'm happy to go by myself. I literally could not care less. I want to spend some good quality time with myself, do you know what I mean? So instead we're gonna run some errands this morning because I feel like that's what couples do together, right? I don't know. And second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to IKEA because I need to get a few bits and we're gonna get an IKEA lunch. What a nice date day. Technically I'm not doing it by myself because I'm taking you guys along, but at the same time no one's here with me. It's just me on my ones and I am okay with that. Am I? Also, can we just talk about Britain's weather? 1 minute it is chucking it down with rain and the next minute I need my sunglasses on. So what's going on? Can someone tell me, please? So I need to do is go and pick up my prescription for my acne medication. Hi, so I got my prescription right here. Hello? What's happening to the lighting? Seriously, I don't know what's happening there. But can I just say, I don't know why, but pharmacies make me feel so calm and peaceful. I was waiting for my prescription and there was like this little fresh baby, there was this old lady. I just felt like nothing could go wrong in that pharmacy. I don't know whether to go around first and eat or eat then go around. I think I'm gonna go around first. Is that the right decision? See, if I had a friendly pal here, it would help me make my decision. I'm normally a decision maker, but in recent days, I've really been struggling to make decisions and I can't work out why. I'm sure there's a deep-rooted issue there, but we'll just go to IKEA, I suppose. I'm in IKEA now. Natasha Bedingfield is playing. Oh, this is what we need. This is cool to play in that. I don't know why I've decided to come to IKEA because I just want to buy everything. Look at this. I imagine summer salads with this. I just want it, but I don't need it. We have so many serving stuff at home, I don't need that as well. Look at that! Serving plate, that's so nice. She just said that I didn't need any serving things, yet I fell in love with another serving platter. My hand's okay. Duvets are where they get me, oh my gosh. Oh, oh my gosh. Hi, so just been to IKEA and spent way more than I was supposed to. I bought way too many things and I was gonna sit in the cafe and have meatballs, but it was so busy. Sorry, what's everyone doing on a Thursday afternoon? And then I remembered how good their veggie sausage rolls are. They're only 50p and they look like this, right? And they have red cabbage and onion and everything in, and it's literally the best thing. That's fizzy. I thought I pressed still. I left my bottle at home. Don't hate on me for using a cup. Okay, it is a paper straw. But don't hate on me, okay? It wasn't my fault. It's not still. I thought I pressed still. Grr, Grace. 50p, I'm not even joking. That's a bargain. Incredible. Also, the key is to eat it. Where's my pick and mix? I think it's in my bag. The key is to eat it, is to put the mustard, ketchup and lingonberry jam on. There's someone that's just pulled up literally right opposite me and I don't know where to look. That was so good. And I got chips, obviously, because also, so the plans for the afternoon for this date day, I bought a pick and mix in IKEA. So I'm gonna sit down, watch a series or a film. Haven't quite worked that one out yet. And we're gonna have some pick and mix and just have a good chill time by ourselves. I think I might have oversalted it, but it's fine, whatever. I want some lingonberry jam. 2 minutes, I might just watch Just Go With It. That's one of my favourites. I could watch that. But it would feel a bit wrong watching it without my best friend Emily. That's like our film. We always watch it together. Here you are, where were you in my time of need? So I'm gonna empty out this one because then it feels like a proper treat, because the other day in England it was really, really hot, like Pims o'clock hot. And on my phone we were having Pims, but obviously I don't like alcohol and I don't like fizzy drinks. I know, what a freak. And then I found this in the supermarket, and the thing is, I love virgin mojitos. I literally hate the taste of alcohol. Even if it's in a cake or something, I just really don't like it. But I love the taste of the lime and the mint. And I found this cordial by Robinson's, and oh my days, it is amazing. Jessie really likes it as well. But they all drink cider and Pims and stuff. So I'm just left like sipping on my water, and every now and then I just want something, you know, to spice my water up, and that is so good. This is so weird. I literally never would chill in the daytime. I'm always editing, filming a video, doing uni work, doing church stuff. So I'm just gonna sit back with my pick and mix and have a good time. I'm really loving life. I don't know what one to go for. You know how I said that I always watch Just Go With It? Look, what are the first two? Friends, Just Go With It. And then rom-coms, rom-coms, rom-coms. I freaking love a rom-com. They're the best. Why don't they do rom-coms anymore? Why don't they make good rom-coms? That's all. Is that too much to ask from a rom? I just had someone come to the door who was for the general election, and she was like shaking my hand trying to get me to vote for her. That was so overwhelming. I feel like stressed. Going with Just Go With It. Emily, don't hate me. Leave a comment telling me your favourite film, because I just want to broaden my horizons. Actually, only if they're a rom-com. Punks, you can imagine what's gone on now. So the film has finished and it was great. We had a really chill time on this date day. And now I'm watching Friends. How could this day get any better? We're having such a good time, and I'm here with Banksy, who, it's so annoying that she's not a lap cat. I would do anything for this girl to just take a little poop. No! I just want to love you. Okay? So rude. Obviously, normally when couples are doing like vlogs, they'll do like a little couple activity, but obviously I don't have that. So where they would do like the yoga challenge, or they do like a, I don't know, some typical challenge that couples do, I'm gonna show you the little dance routine I made up. Are you ready? Okay, enough of that. That's the cringiest, absolutely cringiest thing I've ever done. I'm sorry that you had to witness that. But I think date day is nearly over because I'm about to go babysitting. I've had a good time. Have you had a good time? I've had a good time. Have you had a good time? She'll ask to go out, and then she'll ask to come back in. Come on then. And then she'll want to go back out again. Trust me. I'm gonna take my horse to the old backyard. Hit it. Hit it! This is in the back. Are you even recording?
Yeah, I was, and I stopped.
Hit it! And you have to guess what's in this chick. Ready?
No.
Losing it.
It's so extra, it's unreal.
You're extra. This is what she does. Do you want to go out? That can't be comfy. Oh, yep, see? She's like a dog. Oh, stretch. How freaky does this look? Also not flashing on my bags, or the fact I've got a red eye because hay fever, but it's fine, whatever. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was a bit random, but you know what? I was going to do it anyway, and I was like, why not film it? Because I was going to have a date day by myself, and I thought I might as well vlog it. I hope maybe it will inspire you that you can have some alone time. You don't have to be with someone. Do you know what I mean? You can have some good quality time by yourself. You don't need no man or woman or whatever tickles your fancy. Peace.